Imagine spending a 62 lakhs ticket on a dinner table. Just be told you're banned from eating garlic, onions, and not even taking selfies. Yes, it is real. It isn't just a party, but it's high stake. $1 billion marketing circus where even elites are scared of being blacklisted. Hey people, this side Diksha. My videos will help you simplify finance, also the strategies behind businesses, and leverage your mindset. Usually, everyone in India does Bollywood gossip. But the Met Gala is a bath of drama. Most people think it's a charity gala, but in reality, it is a high society filter. If you're not on Anna's winter list, you don't even exist. She once reportedly banned a guest just for looking out of the place. मैट गाला में सिर्फ एना विंटर का राज है और बाकी सब मेहमान हैं. You see Doja Cat? She actually dressed like a cat. Kim Kardashian covered head to toe in the black tape, or Rihanna looking like a giant omelette. And you think it's weird, but brands, they see 40 crore PR stunt. Welcome to the world where fashion is a weapon and stairs are the battlefield. यही सब मैट गाला के पर्दे के पीछे का बिजनेस और फाइट्स है. Now let's look into the logic that will blow your mind. As I told you, it isn't a party, it is a high stake fundraiser that was formerly known as Costume Institute Benefit. It was started in 1948 by a fashion publicist named Eleanor Lambert. The purpose, the costume itself, is the only department of the Met Museum of New York that has to fund itself. Back then, it was just the $50 dinner. But under Anna Wintour, it became a global circus. So fast forward to this Monday party that held on May 4, 2026. A single ticket cost $100,000, that roughly 83 lakhs in INR. इतने में तो एक middle class person अपनी पूरी life की saving खर्च कर देता है. If I calculate, it is the cost of Ivy League's MBA program, a luxury Mercedes, or a lavish 3 days destination wedding, all gone in just one night and in one dinner. But wait, the weirdness doesn't end with this price tag. Remember Kim Kardashian in Marilyn Monroe original dress? That piece is nearly valued at 40 crores in INR. Imagine one coffee spill away. A literal Shark Tank fortune happens. Also, the stars like Bella Hadid and Dakota Johnson caught while smoking in the Met Gala bathroom. They literally hired bathroom guards. It means that no rebellion is allowed in the Met Gala toilets. And the most logic over logo rule, garlic, onion, and parsley are strictly banned. Why? Because 200 cameras on your face, you cannot risk the bad breath or the greenhouse in your teeth. It is logic over taste always. But the real strategy behind all of his drama is that is earned media value. It means when companies like Apple or Amazon sponsor this, they are not looking at art, they are looking at the world's attention. Let's talk about the Indian takeover. Why we are seeing Alia Bhatt, Isha Ambani, Sabyasachi on those staircases every year now. This year, Manish Malhotra proved that Indian couture is now the global brand. Also, Karan Johar made the statement with the Indian painting-inspired look. It wasn't just the fashion, it was a walking gallery of the heritage. Global brands have now realized that Indian luxury market is a gold mine. इसका मतलब आलिया भट्ट जब सब्यसाची पहनकर मेट गाला पे चलती है तो ये सिर्फ एक ड्रेस नहीं बट इंडिया की सॉफ्ट पावर का ग्लोबल लॉन्च होता है. It is a genius marketing move. They use our stars to sell the global dream to us. This year, Vogue featuring Prince and Princess of Jaipur. It means royalty steps on the Met Gala carpet. It's not about buying a ticket, it means when legacy meets the luxury. Spending 83 lakhs on a 4-hour dinner without no garlic. It is paisa barbad logic or the brilliance branding. Tell me in the comment section, I am reading every single one. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel.